Okay, so basically you can make like projects, like what you basically do in school, but like, it's just like you redo the projects basically, but you do it your own way. And so this is basically what I do. So like I'm pretty sure you've heard of this before. It's basically like school presentations. And it's just very basic, it doesn't have to look really nice or whatever. You're just trying to get the information out. And I just write out like, so basically what you do is just you just research about fun facts, and then you just present it in some type of presentation. You see, it doesn't have to look amazing. You see, I've done better presentations than this before. But basically, that's what you do. The second way that I advise is you can also go into like CK12 or Khan Academy. I don't think that it's the best, but it's probably somewhat better than school. I think so, anyways. And then you see, like the reason why I say like you can outsmart it is because if you look at Elon Musk, he also has a different type of school education system called Ad Astra. Basically, what it is that they do is that they basically allow the students to be like self-directed, and it's also fun. And how do you make it fun? Well, the only part about school that's fun is really, well, for me personally, it's projects. But like you have to find basically what you like doing in school, and you just keep repeating doing it. For me, it's just I don't know. I think for general everyone likes presentations and projects. I mean, most people I think so, anyways. So so you just basically just keep doing projects, and then how do you make the research part fun? Well, what I did is I just basically wrote down like a bunch of fun facts, and I did this in an hour, by the way. Like I just I just like thought about like, oh, okay, well, how do I make myself like, how do I do better than school? And then I just thought about it for an hour, and that's it. And another thing is about like, homeschooled students. Like it said that they could be like a lot more smarter. You see, there's like a study that says homeschool kids are smarter. Even Elon Musk agrees that homeschooled kids are smarter. And why? The reason why I still go to school is because I think the main reason why is because it's forced. Because of motivation problems. You know, it's better to like spend 7 hours in school a day, even if it's not efficient, than like play on your phone for 7 hours a day. But yeah, that's basically what I do. So like you just basically find fun facts, you put them into projects. It doesn't have to look very nice, or you can go on CK12 or Khan Academy, just better, like more organized type of education system. And like a final way I think is like you can like do something like hands on, because I think people actually like doing that as well. Um, yeah. So like the main problem about education is just that it's not fun. And if it's not fun, then people aren't engaged in it. And if they aren't engaged in it, they aren't focused. So they can't learn as well, they don't memorize as well. So like that's how I fix it, fun facts. It's interesting. I like projects, right? I don't know what you like. Do you like research? Do you like asking questions? I don't know. But like basically this is what I do. And that's basically Elon Musk's system as well. He just basically like puts out projects, and then he like has it self-directed. So like, some people like art, for example, some people like research, some people like science, some people like mathematics, like like that's basically how it works. And then he takes that, and then I don't know, that's how he does it. But yeah, that's how I outsmarted. So I'm gonna repeat it one more time. So number one is find fun facts, put them in the presentation, and put them in a project or anything that you like. You know why? Because 10% of school is projects anyways, right? I mean, mostly, right? I mean, they just recently invented projects, so if they recently invented it, it must be funner, right? And then number two, it's basically like better education sites like Khan Academy or CK12. And then number three is just I don't know, hands-on approach maybe. Just find stuff that you like to do and just learn it. Yeah. So I just basically copy the education system, but just made it funner. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. Okay, bye guys. Have a really fun day, and I hope you enjoy your day. Okay, bye.